My friend showed it to me and I do not have a wrinkle on my face after I used this mask. My face is enviable. The face is one of the most delicate parts of the whole body and the most affected by the passage of years. The older we are, the more we begin to notice the wrinkles and spots on the face. In order to combat these ills, many women resort to expensive and ineffective surgeries and procedures. However, we have natural remedies that are much cheaper and offer us better results. In this article we will talk about 3 face masks that will finish the wrinkles and stains of your face in a short time. Paracetamol and grapefruit mask. We all know it is acetaminophen. This compound has the ability to penetrate the pores of the skin and eliminate dead cells. On the other hand, it is rich in anti-inflammatories that decrease the swelling and redness caused by acne. Also, grapefruit juice is rich in vitamin C and fructose acids. By combining it with the mentioned tablets we can achieve surprising results. Instructions: Paracetamol 3 capsules. Grapefruit juice 3 tablespoons. Preparation: first we must crush the paracetamol capsules very well. Next, pour the powder into a bowl and mix with the grapefruit juice. When we get a soft paste, we apply it on the face and let it act for 10 minutes. Finally, we rinse our face with abundant clean water. You could also try this mask, paracetamol mask, yogurt and honey. Yogurt is considered a great source of potassium, protein and calcium. That is why it is very good for the treatment of ills related to the face. In addition, it contains very few calories and has many minerals and vitamins essential for health. Ingredients: paracetamol 5 capsules, yogurt 1 tablespoon, honey 1/2 tablespoon. Use: initially we must crush the tablets until they undo them very well and that they are without lumps. Now, in a bowl mix all ingredients until a smooth paste. Afterwards, we will put on our face a cloth moistened with warm water to open the pores. Then, we dry the face and apply the mask, allowing it to act for 30 minutes. Finally, rinse the face with warm water.